Welcome to another video of Urban Lifestyle. My name is Eli and today we're going to be unboxing a box of gold that I brought using the Atmex. Had to scratch the label off so my address doesn't show on there. I like using Atmex, they're fast. I tested them, like I say, maybe during the summer. And I never had a problem with them. I saw online where they say, oh, some of my packages never came, but it always was delivered to me. So I like to buy on Fridays. And I'll usually receive my package between, let's see, I'll say Tuesday. Matter of fact, yeah, Tuesday or Wednesday. That's when I'll receive my package. And I'm happy with them so far, nothing bad to say about them thus far. So I'm gonna be testing out some other gold sites. I see some gold site, I see some sites that actually sell their precious metals for cheaper than Atmex does. So I'm gonna sample them out. I'm gonna buy the cheapest precious metal they have and see, check them on their time, check them on the material they have. If I'm satisfied with all that, then I'll see if I can up the price so I can buy more from them. But for now, I'm using Atmex. Like I said, no complaints. To be honest with you, I kind of forgot what I brought. So this is like Christmas all over again. I brought this last Friday and I received this today, Saturday. And the only reason is because, the Christmas time and the New Year's time, so I understand that. But usually I buy it on Friday and I'll get it on Wednesday or Tuesday. So let's go ahead and start unboxing this thing here. Let's see this thing, what kind of glue they put on here. So it normally comes in this bubble wrap in here. This is stronger than the box itself. Let's see here. I have these right here. Nice. They all come in these packaging. So I got 6 of these here. They're actually 1 gram silver bar, eagle. So I got me some eagles here. I remember I had Haas, a YouTuber asked me, hey, where the eagles at? I got me some small eagles. You see that, Haas? Let's see, what else did I get? I got me this beauty right here. This beauty right here. That's a 1 ounce round buffalo. So that's a 1 troy ounce buffalo, just in case anybody want to get slick with me. I have an American $1 here. I have a pet peeve. I hate when I turn it around and the bird is upside down, but when I turn it face in front, the head is right side up. I hate that. I don't know if you guys notice, if you guys ever watched that show Monk, I understand how he feels, man. I don't like that. I had to keep doing this with it. And last but not least, I like to buy at least 1 gram of a gold bar. There you go, right there. And most likely I'm gonna keep it in here and just leave it in my collection. I think this makes about the 10th piece I have so far of this kind. But cool. Oh, hey guys. You guys can see me in the background. Anyways. 1 gram. So before I go, I do want to show you guys how one of these looks like and how it comes packaged. And take it out here. Pretty sure I showed you guys these before in previous videos, but if you're new here, you might want to subscribe to this channel and leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys have any questions about using Atmex, or any questions about gold and precious metals itself, comment down below and let me know. All right, let me see if I get it to focus on there for you guys. And that's how that looks. And I'm wearing gloves, yeah, to not scratch it off or, you know, damage the precious metal. But at the same time, I don't like the way my fingernails look. I do bite my nails a lot, so I'm trying to hide it from you guys. So have a good one, all right, guys? That's why I work